When you're managing contacts with spreadsheets, old school paper, or really old school hammer and chisel, you'll find that it's really easy to lose your place, make mistakes, and miss important details because they're not on the page you're looking at. Not to mention, most of these documents are not easy to share without careful consideration. These approaches lead to disorganization, which slows you down big time. Sounds like a nightmare. With Blitz Sales Software, everything you need is in one place online. It's easy to share between devices and coworkers, so you stay on top of it all. Work smarter, not harder. Blitz Sales Software.